Hello, world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you know, guys, in India, we are going through a serious problem with regards to COVID. And the most important challenge is availability of vaccine, right? Uh, Fortunately, we do have our government has a COVID app, which is pretty good in terms of booking the appointment in hospitals and checking the availability and stuff like that. But it's a pretty complex task to go through the grids and keep searching and keep finding it out where it is and where it is not and stuff like that. So I built a simple Python code which can which will get into your web and search all over India, all the hospitals through the COVID app and give you the information pretty quick, instantly within a second, which hospital, where the COVID, vaccination is available. So I'm going to show you a demo. You may take a look at it. You can just install this Python code, the script which I'm going to show you on your desktop, and keep running it. It takes just 1 second to run it and you can get the result where the vaccine is available. So go ahead, guys, take a look at the demo and let's do some magic. So this is the entire script. So basically I'm using the web scraper tool using import request. So what you need to do basically, you will have to install import the request files, right? So you can just go to the command line and go to the Windows command line and say pip install request. If you are using Linux operating system, you might want to use pip3 install request, requests. So that will install this particular package, this particular library, and you are all set. JSON by default you might have in your system. In case if you do not, you can configure very easily. You can just search Google and find it out. It's pretty easy. So all this script, the entire script, what it does is it gets into the web, gets into this particular URL, and it'll search for the available information and throw it out to you on your screen within a fraction of seconds. So let's take a look. All we need to do is right click on this code. By the way, guys, you can use any of the IDE. You can use Visual Studio, you can use PyCharm or any IDE you are used to, so it doesn't matter. I'm used to Visual Studio, so I'm using Visual Studio code here. Let me right click and run Python file on terminal. Okay, there you go, and you can see the result on the screen on the terminal. I hope you guys can see it. So here it says no vaccination slot available. That is because I have put my zip code here. I have used my pin code. So let me change the pin code and see. So what you need to do, you need to go to the line number 9, the code line number 9 here. Can you see this? Pin codes, right? So you can change the pin code here. So let me change it to 5600. I'm in Bangalore, so I'll be using 560001. Let me just try this and let me run it. Right click, run Python file in terminal, and let me see the output. Okay, it's running. No vaccination slot available. So any which ways, this is the fact, guys. There are no vaccination available anywhere in India at this point of time. But this app is going to definitely help you in terms of searching for the vaccination very quick on your desktop, and you can use it as you wish. Alright, guys, that's it for this. I hope this app is going to be really helpful, and do go ahead and start using it. Bye bye.